So I got sent from Baldy something really cool and I'm really excited about it. It is the new shower bar that they offer. So we all know we can use soap lathers to shave with. I have mentioned that many times on this channel. But what happens when you actually get a product that's meant to be just that? It's a soap that's meant to be used for shaving. It's interesting, it's intriguing, and how good is it? That will come in a later video, but this is something that I'm excited about and I want to shed more light on it because some of you may not know what it is, some of you may already use it and love it, or have used it and hate it. If you have, comment down below, I'm interested. Here, what do we have here? This looks to be like the actual shave bar. Got two of them in here. They also sent me shower bars. Exfoliating shower bars. Nice. So far, reading the ingredients, it feels as the same, at least on the front part of their packaging, it feels like it's the same thing as their soap, but perhaps they have just made it in a different shape to be more friendly to fit into this. So scratch that, it's not. There are different ingredients between the two. One thing I'm noticing is the avocado oil and shea butter for the shave bar versus the actual soap. They are different, but they look similar. And if you guys haven't seen one of my videos that I did for Baldy's in the past, one thing that they did with their bars of soap that I liked, which was like a nice little touch, a little detail, is they actually etch their name into the bar. It doesn't last long, obviously, you're gonna use it, it wears off, but it's just a little cool little touch that they did with it, which makes it stand out a little bit. It's like a signature, and companies need to do that. Have you ever heard of or remember when the Art of Shaving were actually in malls? You can go there, you can buy a lot of great products. But at least around me, I haven't been able to find them. But when you have bars like this, you put them into like a bowl and you have your brush. Now, when you have them in your bowl, the idea is, because this is round, this is the shave bar. Put it inside of it, right? You get it wet and you have your brush. You build up a nice lather and then you can lather up. Now this would also work for your face and neck naturally. Just about anything that you're gonna use on your shaving your head is also gonna work on shaving your face and your neck. Not that I do that a lot, but over to their website and checking out their pricing on this. $15 for one bar of shave soap. So that might not be a bad deal depending upon how long it lasts. And you guys know how much I like products that can last. So I'm gonna use this for a little bit to see what kind of longevity I get out of it. The smell is pleasant and it has to do with also their ingredients. They, want more organic, natural ingredients. You're gonna have a little bit more of an earthy tone to it. There is like some tea tree in here and everything, so that helps with shaving as well. So there's a lot of good stuff with this, and I'm looking forward to trying it. And it's nice to pull out my brush again. For those of you that don't know, these brushes, this one is actually made with badger hair, pure badger hair. There's a reason for that, and that is because badger hair does not collect or grow. It doesn't get moldy. It kind of like naturally stays like disinfected. So each one of these shave bars is 4 ounces. So where does that compare against the norm? Well, let's find out. How much is there out there for shave bars? Or shave soap, I should say. There's a lot. And when there's a lot, I'm also looking at the price, and they are a lot. But Art of Shaving, which I mentioned before, they have a puck that they use. One puck with them is $34.
Wow.
But they say it lasts 5 months. I wonder if this will last 5 months. If it does, that's one hell of a deal. I'm not gonna lie. $15, if this can compete, it's a game changer. Game over.